guys have probably never seen me before, but welcome to my second channel, where I'll be recording unboxing videos, reaction videos, and playing all sorts of different random games. Make sure you go and check out my main channel, the link will be in the top right now. Right, there we go. But without any further waffle, let's unbox the Meta Quest 2, ready to indulge in the world of VR. So I've already opened it because I was quite excited to open it, have a look, and I needed to get it set up ready to record. So if we open the box, on the inside we've got the headset and the controllers, as you can see. On the right, obviously we've got the right controller. On the left, we've got the left controller. In the middle here, we've got the Meta Quest 2 little box, which contains a charging port and a little instruction manual by the looks of it. We've got a Type-C to Type-C charger to power it, and we've obviously got the plug that can be plugged into a socket. And for the main bit, we've got the headset. I've already put on the little rubber protection bit because it was a bit of a faff to get it on and I couldn't be bothered to do it on video. We've got the two lenses in the middle, we've got the little rubber bit, as you can see. It protects the foam from sweat and dirt and whatnot. There we can see me in the background recording the video, ignore that. On the side we've got a Type-C input to charge it and a 3.5mm jack to plug in headphones. On the other side we've got the power button, and on the bottom we've got a volume up and volume down button. On the front we've got the cameras or sensors, I don't know the technical term, but that's what tracks the controllers when you're playing. Here we've got a little glasses adapter, so if you wear glasses you can put this in and it gives you a bit more space for your glasses to fit in the headset, which I think is pretty good. Right, so we're playing some, what it's called, Population 1. It's a free game you can get on the Quest store. I'm gonna hop into some squads. I've got my in-game mic muted, so people aren't listening to me waffle. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this. I've played a bit already, but for the sake of the video, I'm pretending this is my first game. It's not.
Hello?
He's saying hello, but I'm not speaking to him. Ready. Let's go! Oh my god. This game is sick, I can't lie. It's basically like Fortnite, but in VR. It's a little bit glitchy here and there, but you can't really expect much more from a VR game like this. You know what? Let's just go. Ah! Whee! I can fly, look at this. This is some skills. Where should I go? I'm gonna go to that thing there. Ah. Whee! Can I make it straight through? Ooh! No! You're actually joking. Yeah. Oh, I don't like climbing in this game. This is a exercise and a half. We've got this thing. Looks lovely.
Wow.
We've got
Just
some
got the worst
shield.
gun in the game.
I don't care, mate. Shut up. What else have we got? Got some more ammo. There's nothing else in here. Get some resources. Get backpack upgrades. I'm kitted out. I just need a better gun. I'll take a pistol. You can't beat me with a pistol. I'm too good. I've got a banana. I don't want that. Look at this. You know what? Screw my teammate. Oh my god, what the hell? Right. I'll shake this thing up. Yeah. This probably looks really weird. Right. Grab a sniper, grab some ammo. I'm hearing shooting. What's that? Oh, I'm not liking this. You know what? I'm gonna stick with my teammates. It's probably the smart option. I'm hearing gunshots, but I think it's him. Oh. Ugh, more climbing, bloody hell. What's this guy doing? Look at— oh, he's shooting someone. Where? Oh. Oh, what a shot. Okay, I'm actually too good at this. Where's he gone then? Well, you know what? Oh no, it's a 1-star. Yeah, I'm not risking that. I was gonna go and kill him, but maybe not. Oh, bro, look at these two flying away from me. Ooh, I saw someone. Come on. Right, where did he go? You know what? I don't care. Right, the storm's there. But look at this guy. Ooh, gunshots. I want to fight some people and show you my skills in this game. I've only been playing a couple days, but already I'm too good. Have it. Oh, I missed. Okay.
Reloading, reloading.
Shut up. Ding. Okay, sorry. How did that miss? Ding. Oh, 4. You know, I'll just get the pistol out, kill some people with this. Well, look at the skin that I got as well. Beautiful. What? Okay, there's someone sneaking up on my guy. Who do you think you are? Don't make me shoot you.
Oh, no.
Dead. What a thought. Backpack. Field. Oh, okay. This guy's got some decent stuff. This? Yeah. Best gun in the game. I don't care what anyone says. I've killed so many people with this. What can I get rid of? I'll get rid of that. Get the MP5. Woohoo! Wanna climb up here? I've got calves of steel, look at me. Right, there's some other guy down there. I'm gonna try it. Okay, maybe not. Whoa! Right. I'm about to get killed. Where are you? Fuck it, I don't like this one. Alright, surely he's almost dead. What? Okay, I'm about to get killed as well. No.
Shotgun shell.
Oh wait, I need to reload. What am I doing?
I'm down. Tell
Oh, I can see that.
You got this, mate. No, never mind, you're not.
Wow. Ignore that. Okay, we got 3rd place. I'll take that for my first game. What's this? I got killed by this guy. I don't like you. Next. Exit. So that was my unboxing and test of the MetaQuest 2. I'm looking forward to making a lot of videos on this. There's a couple mistakes that I noticed while I was editing, but I'll try and fix them for when I make my VR content. But make sure you go over and subscribe to my main channel. The link will be up there in the top right. And I'll see you in the next video where I'll be doing another unboxing. Bye.